Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into the exciting world of crypto with a focus on the OKX Referral program. If you're looking to maximize your rewards and bonuses on one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code 673-74754 to start earning. So, what exactly is the OKX Referral program? It's a fantastic way for both new and existing users to earn rewards. When you refer a friend to OKX, you both get special bonuses. These can include things like mystery boxes with crypto prizes, trading fee discounts, and welcome bonuses. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Let's walk through the steps to use the OKX referral code 673-74754 the most out of these rewards. 1. Visit the OKX website or app first. Head over to the official OKX website or download the OKX app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any scams. 2. Create an OKX account. Click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address or phone number and create a strong password. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then hit Sign Up. 3. Enter the OKX referral code. During the sign-up process, you'll see a field for a referral code. Enter 673-74754 here. This is crucial to ensure you get your bonuses. 4. Complete KYC verification. To unlock all the rewards, you'll need to complete the KYC, Know Your Customer verification process. This typically involves providing some personal information and a valid ID. It's a standard procedure to keep the platform secure. 5. Claim your rewards. Once your account is set up and verified, you can start claiming your rewards. Go to the referral page on the OKX site or app. Here you'll find your mystery boxes and other bonuses. Click on them to see what you've won. Let's talk about the types of rewards you can earn with the OKX referral code 673-74754. 1. Mystery boxes. These are really exciting. You and your friend each get a mystery box when they sign up using your code and log in within a month. These boxes can contain various crypto prizes like BTC, ADA, SOL, and vouchers that reduce your trading fees. 2. Welcome bonuses. When you use the referral code, you get a $10 welcome bonus. This is a great way to get started on the platform. 3. Trading fee discounts. Another fantastic perk is the trading fee discounts. By using the referral code, you can get a lifetime cashback on every trade, which means more savings for you. To be eligible for these rewards, you need to complete a few steps. 1. KYC verification. As mentioned, KYC is required. This ensures the platform is secure and compliant with regulations. 2. Active participation. To keep earning rewards, make sure you stay active on the platform. This includes trading, making deposits, and referring more friends. Now let's quickly go over why OKX is such a great platform. 1. Wide range of trading options. OKX offers futures trading, margin trading, and even an NFT marketplace. It's a versatile platform that caters to all types of traders. 2. Low fees. The trading fees on OKX are among the lowest in the industry, especially with the additional discounts you get from using the referral code 673-74754. 3. High security. OKX takes security seriously, with features like two-factor authentication and advanced encryption. Here are some tips to maximize your rewards. 1. Refer more friends. The more friends you invite, the more mystery boxes and bonuses you earn. Each friend who signs up using your referral code brings additional rewards. 2. Stay active, regularly trade, and participate in platform activities to keep unlocking new bonuses and benefits. To sum up, the OKX referral program is an excellent opportunity to earn extra crypto and enjoy reduced trading fees. Don't forget to use the referral code 673-74754 to get started with your bonuses. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Horizon channel for more crypto tips and updates. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to OKX, sign up using the referral code 67374754, and start earning your rewards today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.